Hello everyone, I'm Rashmi Sore, primary teacher from Advanced Academy. We all love hearing story, right? So today I'm going to tell you a story and the title of the story is The Boy Who Cried Wolf. So let's begin the story. Once upon a time in a village there was a boy whose job is to take all the sheep on the hillside for the grazing. But by seeing sheep grazing, he feels so bored and he thought of an idea. He thought that let's make fool of everyone. What he did? He started shouting from the hilltop that wolf, wolf, there is a wolf on the hill. Please come, save the sheep. By listening his shout, by listening his cry, all the villagers ran towards the hill. But what they saw that there was no wolf. They became so angry. They shouted on the boy like anything. But boy was like, he was amused by seeing the angry faces of the villagers. He was enjoying it. After the villagers went back, the boy again started shouting, there is a wolf, there is a wolf, please come, help me, help the sheep. By listening his cry again, the villagers came back and again what they saw that there was no wolf over there. Now they became so angry, they shouted on boy like anything that why you are telling lie to everyone? Why you are fooling us if there is no wolf? But boy was enjoying a lot. Again all villagers went back. Now boy thought that it is enough for today. Now I will do this again tomorrow. But what he saw that there was a real wolf. By seeing that real wolf, the boy shouted that wolf, wolf, please come, please save me, please save the sheep. But villagers thought that now again he is making fun of us, again he is fooling us, now we will not go. So they didn't went. In the evening, when boy returned back, he was alone and no sheep was there with him. By seeing that, villagers asked him that why you are returning alone from the hill? Where are the sheep? Why they are not with you? The boy said, when I was shouting, when I was crying like anything that wolf is there, nobody came there to help me or save the sheep. Now why you are blaming me for that? And he started crying. He was feeling so bad that nobody trusted him. So one old man from the village came near to the boy and he said that, see, if you will again and again tell lie to someone, that how he will trust you? He will not trust you if you are telling truth also. So students, the moral which we get from the story is lying breaks trust. Even if you are telling truth, no one will believe you because you have told lies so many times. Okay? Thank you.